Hey guys, it is Michael Kennedy of the Moving to Delaware Beaches channel and the Move to DE team here in Delaware. And I got a little special surprise for you. We are going to be sitting down with one of the nation's largest builders, D.R. Horton. And we have Jake, not from State Farm, but Jake from D.R. Horton, who we're going to be sitting down with. And we're going to be talking about this brand new Milton Delaware community called the Granary. Prices are going to be starting in the low 400s, working themselves into the low 500s. And when I tell you amenity-wise and kind of just bigger picture of what this community is going to become, you're going to be blown away. So without further ado, I'm going to cut right to my sit-down conversation with Jake. Without further ado, I'm gonna let Jake talk to us about the community and kind of tell us why it's gonna be absolutely amazing.
We're talking about the Disney World of Milton, Delaware. This community is stunning. There are so many amenities planned, so many things that I've never heard of a community in the area having, and the homes too. Complete revamp of our plans and elevations and interior finishes and all that stuff. So there's a lot of exciting, there's a lot of new stuff coming to the Granary.
So walk me through, so typical offering. I mean, you guys are kind of throwing the kitchen sink at this, right? Like you're putting all the floor plans in, figure out what are the most popular, what makes the most sense. So smallest square footage wise?
1437.
Okay, so that's perfect. You know, first time home for a younger couple, downsizer for an older couple, pre-retiree, up to what?
2934.
Wow. Okay, what floor plan is that?
That's at Ellerbe with a sunroom.
2,900 square feet, that's pretty big. So, you know, again, our retirees that are gonna have the whole family down, the grandiose ideas of like the kids are gonna spend the summers with you, you know, the family that is gonna have a few kids living there full time. Because you probably have a lot of people that are looking to be there because that is the Cape School District, right?
Yep.
Okay, so that's huge. I mean, that's great. I mean, both my kids grew up going to the Milton schools. I mean, they went to HOB. My daughter's at Mariner. You know, she'll be going to Cape next year. I mean, they've had great experience with that. So, I mean, I'm a firm believer of the Cape School District. So, yay, Vikings.
I don't have kids, so I just go based off what Michael Kennedy says.
Perfect. I love that. I love that. So, I mean, so talk to me. You're going to come into the community. How many different phases are there going to be? What's the life cycle of this thing look like?
So the entire plan, we're looking at about 10 phases. The first two being up front. So we'll work our way back, which is nice. You're not always going to be in a construction zone.
Yeah.
Phase one, we're looking at 180 homes to start.
Okay.
And in that phase, we'll have a pool with a bathhouse.
Perfect.
And then we'll move over to phase two, which gets us an outdoor fitness equipment and yoga studio.
Wow, and it's gonna be like a yoga stage, right?
Yoga stage outside, it's outdoor.
That's pretty cool. My wife would love that, you know, until there's bugs, and then she'd be like, okay, I'm back inside. I don't want this anymore. What are we doing here? But that sounds pretty awesome. Now, obviously, there is gonna be a second builder in here with you guys.
Yes.
So talk to me about that relationship. What does that look like between you guys? Do you know any of those details yet?
2 builders, 1 happy community.
Nice.
That's really it. We offer a great home at a great price with amazing included features.
Yeah.
You know, think of it as like turnkey. You turn the key and everything is done. We have the full home equipped flooring throughout the main area of the home, quartz countertops, blinds, sod, irrigation. Like you think of it, we probably include it.
That's amazing.
And it, you know, I'm really excited that we're starting out. All of the floor plans we have, base price, we're under 500.
That's awesome. Okay. Yeah. So, I mean, that's going to be perfect. So what is the model home going to be when we get in there fully decorated?
When we get in there, we're going to have an Ellerbe with a sunroom. New option for the Ellerbe.
Nice.
If you're familiar. Extends that breakfast area and brings in so much natural sunlight. And that's going to be a 2-story home with a first floor owner suite.
Okay. And then what do we have for quick moving homes? I mean, I think of D.R. Horton as like, we're a spec builder. We're going to have units. We're going to have houses popping up at every cycle throughout the phase of the community. So what do we have coming out the gates?
So we're looking at, for like a 30-day move-in right now, once we open, we'll have a Bristol ranch.
Okay.
And then we'll have a Hanover 2-story.
Perfect.
And then we just got started on one of each floor plan that we have.
That'll be perfect. Okay, good. So we've got somebody like, I've got a client from New York who is like, we're selling our house. Somebody's gonna buy it. They're gonna bulldoze it. They can get in for under 500, have something a little bit more quick move-in ready. Bam, be done.
There you go.
Now, one of the things that Jake and I were looking at before we even did this for you guys is some of the home sites, or technical language, the lots. I mean, the backyards are going to be pretty spacious on this. I know, like land plan wise, there are back-to-back home sites, which sometimes people worry about because they're like, oh, I don't want to see another house. But how much space do we have just from the house to the back of the property?
Yeah. I mean, looking at the Cali, which is going to take up the most space on the home site, I think from rearmost corner to the property line, we're at 35 feet.
Yeah. So,
And then if you look at a house kind of like the Ellerbe or the Hanover, where it's not taking up so much space on the lot, we're upwards of like 50 feet.
Yeah. So, I mean, so realistically, so what does that mean to you? That's what you're thinking in your mind. And that's going to be, at 32.8 feet, I think is what it was for the Cali, at 35 for a Bristol. The reality is you're going to be at least 64 to 70 feet between the houses. And if you've got two stories, I mean, you're talking about 100 feet. That's a whole 100-foot measuring tape. I mean, that is huge.
Yeah.
That's a lot of space. So I think it's one of those where you've got to come in, you've got to see it, you've got to see the models. And there's some secret stuff we can't even talk about it right now that Jake is working on with his management team. That might be some extra options that they're going to have there. Like, shh, don't tell anybody. We got to just call me. I will tell you about it. But it's so hot. We can't even talk about it on air right now. But it's going to be absolutely incredible. Colby Cox is the developer of the community.
Yes.
He's done a number of communities like the Villages Red Mill Pond, over on Red Mill Pond on the Lewes side. So he's got a great proven track record of what he produces and what those communities look like 5, 10, 15 years down the road. So again, I just know based on the developer, based on the builders that are going to be there, this is going to be a beautiful finished product that if you're not already on the VIP list, which is how many people strong?
Like 427 people.
Only 427 people have expressed interest in this hot community. So the reality is incentives are going to be great. The product's going to be great. We need to get you in there, and we need to get you in right when this thing opens up, so that way you can take advantage of it. Cherry pick those lots. If you want to do a to-be-built and customize it the way you want it, like, do you want the gray kitchen? Do you want the white kitchen?
Let's do it.
You don't have to roll the dice on what did Jake pick. Probably white kitchens everywhere. But the reality will be is that way you can get in there and do it. And then included features wise, I know we were talking about, so quartz is going to be included.
Quartz is included.
Okay.
I think it's 7 inch of the LVP throughout the main area of the home.
Okay.
All the bathrooms will have tile in the shower, on the shower wall. Blinds, smart home package, sod, irrigation. And then obviously with the move-in ready homes, we have selected some options.
Nice.
So we're able to kind of display what there is to pick from if you end up doing a to-be-built. But with our inventory homes, we're trying to incorporate some of those options.
Awesome.
That people have expressed interest in, but need something a little bit quicker. So we have those on inventory.
And that's great. Now, I didn't even ask this of you before, but how close is the Granary to in-town Milton?
Throw a rock, you're there.
That's a really big throw. Like, I know I look like Peyton Manning at times with the like the pullovers. That's a little bit bigger than probably throw, but it's only it's like 3 minutes.
Less than 5 minutes.
Yeah.
You turn right out of the community and then you take a left on Federal Street and you're there.
Yeah, I mean, which is awesome because I'll make sure to add some B-roll about the town of Milton and just the awesomeness there because again, we're the end of the calendar year 2025 right now that we're shooting this. You're going to have your tree lighting in downtown Milton. You've got in the summertime, you've got the summer concert series. You've got the super cute train track right there behind the public library that the kids can hop on and adults can go ride it too if you really want to. You've got the public library, you've got the Milton Theater, you've got Zombie Fest, you've got the Halloween night in town. So the town is super rich in culture and just activities, and they really do their best to invite people into the town with the different restaurants. You've got sushi, we've got Irish Eyes, we've got Miltonian Pizzeria, you've got Tequila Real, which is right there on Wagaman's Pond. You can sit outside and just look out across the pond, which is absolutely stunning in the spring, summer, fall. And then those like warm days in January when it's 70 degrees and everyone's like, let's eat outside.
Yeah.
Let's do this. What else do we need to know about the community? What people that are viewing this at home in their PJs, drinking a bottle of wine going, oh my God, I can't wait to retire. I can't wait to get to Milton. What do they need to know right now?
If you're thinking about Milton, if you're thinking about the Granary, really just honing in on like right now is the time.
Nice. Okay, you heard it. Jake said by now, or else. I don't know what the or else is, but you can call me and we'll talk about it. So, but no, this is awesome. Well, guys, as always, thank you so much for tuning in to the Moving to Delaware Beaches channel. I'd love to give you these kind of sneak peeks because this is really unique. This is probably one of the first ones we've done, other than Tara Scarborough with Brentwood before that opened up. And I think that this just gives you a sneak peek and opportunity to see what some of the different amenities are, but more importantly, get you in there on the ground, coming up versus being, on the tail end like a Woodfield Preserve. So you get to see the community mature, and you guys get to be like those founding members within the community, there's just something to be said about that. So
who doesn't like being the first person to buy a home in a neighborhood?
Yeah.
I was the first.
Yeah, it's like, there you go. You can put you can put it on your business card. We'll get you an engraver. It's gonna be perfect. But again, thank you so much for tuning in. Any questions, comments, concerns, hit me up. My cell phone number is right there on the banner. Give me a call. Let's get you in for an appointment with Jake. And again, I'm just gonna say it again. These guys do the co-broking. There's no fee to you as the client. They're paying the commission. So you are doing yourself a disservice not to give me a call, not to schedule the appointment, and let me help you with your new home purchase here at the beach. So thanks again. We'll talk to you later. Hey guys, we are out here at the Granary right now, and behind me is the DRB future model home. They are literally furnishing this and getting things set up in the model. So we're not even gonna go in and disrupt these guys and take a sneak peek, but I wanted you to get some picture, get a little B-roll footage of the drone here on site at the Granary. I mean, this project is massive. I mean, we're talking thousands of homes when it's built out, probably a 20-year project, multiple phases, multiple pools, multiple amenity centers. So to me, this is gonna be the premier Milton community, but you're gonna have to stay tuned and wait for the follow updates because, next video, I'm gonna get you into these model homes. You can take a look at this one as well as the DR Horton model in the back. Okay, so we're in for a little bit of a surprise here today. So we kind of took a look at the entryway where the DRB model is gonna be, but the DR Horton model is furnished already, power's on, getting their final CO. So we're gonna actually get to take a sneak peek at this Ellerbe, which looks in fuego, which, if you don't speak Spanish, that means it's on fire, baby. We're here on the front porch of the Ellerbe, and what I like about this elevation is you do have the front porch where you can put a couple chairs. This is gonna be a very walkable community with sidewalks throughout the community. Everybody's gonna be waving at each other. It's like that kind of village within a village, because this is actually within the downtown limits of Milton. This got annexed in. So one of the things you're gonna see as we come in, you're gonna see sprinkler systems. Sprinkler systems are a must-have in the town of Milton. It's part of their building requirements, but it adds extra cost. But the nice thing is with these homes here, you're gonna be starting in the low 400s, working your way up into like the 500s with a fully loaded house. So study as you enter in. Here they did do the gourmet kitchen. So you've got the quartz countertops, you've got the wall oven with the microwave built in above, nice walk-in pantry in the corner. And then you've got this, awesome dining area. And they did the morning room option on this Ellerbe, which is really cool. Now, granted, me personally, I don't know if I need two tables right next to each other, but I do like this setup. It's kind of like a morning room. You can hang out here, drink your coffee, hang out, play some games with the family, do whatever you want. And this is just a great space. Off of the open kitchen, dining room, sunroom, we have the great room, which again, I always talk about how many butts does the room sit. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, very comfortably in here. Oh, and I forgot there's number 6 in the corner. But the reality is you've got plenty of space for your friends, your family. So this becomes a really good house. And one of the great features of this is first floor, primary bedroom, and a couple random doors just hanging out in the bedroom because this model isn't even open yet. You guys are seeing this before the grand opening. But again, look at the trim detail in here. This is a beautiful room, crown molding. And then as we come in here, you come into the primary suite, you've got your walk-in closet off to the side. You've got the gigantic spa shower, double vanity. And I love this. They did the tile that looks like wood. And then they have this gigantic spa shower with 0 entry. You've got your control right here, so it's out of the way. You're not gonna get wet when you go to turn that on. And then right behind, you've got the water closet. So you've got everything you could want here on the first floor, but then you've got a ton of guest bedrooms upstairs, which we're gonna take a look at next. Off to the side of the kitchen, you have a storage closet underneath the stairs, because again, these are on slabs, so there's no basement, there's no crawl space. You've got a powder room here on the first floor as well. Yeah, because then they don't have to use your bedroom. And then obviously this is the office space, which this is gonna be your garage. So you can do the 2-car, 3-car garage, depending on the home site. And then obviously back in here is where all your mechanical systems are gonna be. So your carrier system, right here, which is a really nice unit for a house. So I love it. Let's take a look at the second floor, guys. You're gonna be amazed by this space. As soon as my son walked up here, he just jaw dropped. He was like, oh my God, this loft is amazing. So this incredible loft space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 people could be hanging out up here, just chilling. And again, we found another model home with a Scrabble board. Apparently that is gonna be the design trick of the year. Also, as a side note, in the corner, you've got this cute little nook where you have this little desk area, which is really nice. I like that, just kind of utilize the space for the designer pieces. So, hall bathroom off to the side. So that's bathroom number 1 for up here. Then you've got this beautiful guest bedroom here. So, as we do our countdown timer here, you've got another bedroom, another bathroom. We already had 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom and a half. We've got the laundry room up here, because again, most all the bedrooms are up here. You've got another guest bedroom. So this is a really good size, queen size bed, plenty of room for furniture. And then as we come back and around the corner, you've got huge linen closet because you've got all these bedrooms up here. And then we've got another bathroom, which this one features double vanity and a separate commode / shower area, which is really nice. So that way your guest up here, they can brush their teeth, somebody could be showering, and the kids aren't fighting. This is super cute. You always have to have a quintessential twin room, and check out that chandelier. That thing is just incredible. I love that thing. So, and then you've got another guest bedroom over here. So if I do the math right, we have 4 guest bedrooms. We have 2 guest bathrooms on the second floor. The primary floor, you've got the primary bedroom and its ensuite and a half bath. So we're 5, 3.5. I mean, this is amazing. This is awesome for a house that's gonna be under $500,000. YouTube Nation, thank you so much for tuning in and taking a sneak peek tour of the Granary with me. Not only did we get to talk to Jake, who's gonna be the sales rep for DR Horton here in the community, we got to take a look at kind of how massive this job site's gonna be. And lo and behold, we didn't even know we were gonna be able to do it. We got to come into the DR Horton model home, which was even better. So DRB, I'm definitely gonna do a follow-up video so that way we can get into those model homes. You can see that as well. But again, I can't tell you how excited I am about this community. I started my new construction career in town Milton at Cannery Village, which was a neo-traditional village. And I see Milton kind of being put on the map with these larger, big planned urban development communities with the walkability and the amenities and the trails. This is just really exciting to me. I find this to be a lot of fun because this is gonna be one of those top-notch, great developer, great communities, 2 great builders here in the region. So I'm excited. So don't forget, like and subscribe down below, but more importantly, give me a call, shoot me an email, shoot me a text. I'd love to get you in here, VIP pricing, right out the gates. Let's get you a heck of a deal on this brand new community. Thanks for tuning in. Talk to you soon.